Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Printify with TikTok shop. So you simply need to search for Printify and you need to open that is Printify dropshipping and create and sell custom products. So click on sign up and you need to basically create your account on Printify. So you need to add your email password and complete the sign up process. So click on continue with Google. So I'm going to continue with Google. Click on confirm and wait for a few seconds so that it will be connect. And okay, welcome. What brings to your Printify? So I'm already selling online and want to expand. Okay, so select your identity. I am a content creator. Click on next again. What social media do you use? I use YouTube and TikTok. Next, how many social media followers do you have? So I have below 50k. Click on next. Do you have experience selling print on demand? So I have no. Click on next. What do you have experience with? So I'm have experience of designing products. Click on next again. Where would you like to sell? So we see that you are located. So I want to sell in United States. Okay. Okay, or you can select globally. Click on next. How did you hear about us? So I hear from YouTube. Complete. Okay, so once your step is completed, and here you can see that my new store and add a new store. Click here, and you can connect your TikTok from here. Store name, and I want to use. If you want to use existing Printify stores like that, and complete the process, and after that you can use Printify with TikTok shop. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.